Hey, I'm your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pet Simulator X error code 100. The error reads, "Something went wrong, please try again later." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to transfer their pets to Pet Simulator X, and the error prevents them from completing the transfer. According to our research, the error may occur if the pet has a name issue, or if the system fails to show that the transfer has already happened, or if the pet is a duplicated one. To deal with this error, the first thing we suggest is to check if your pet has a name. If it has one, try removing it and then transfer again. If it doesn't have a name, give it a random name and try again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then log in to PS99 and check your inbox. In some cases, the pets may have already transferred even though the game still shows the error. So, check for this to see if this is also the case with you. At last, if the error still persists, then the pet may be a duped one with the same ID already transferred before. To find the pet causing the issue, try transferring them one by one. Once you find the duped pet, sell or delete it. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.